Welcome back, guys. Unbox United. It's the 5th of December 2024. We got a fresh unboxing, guys. I told you guys this is my last cup last time, but this is my last unboxing for 2024, guys. I just wanted to share this quick unboxing, and I'm so excited because I just bought the Travis Scott olives in the background there, so I wanted a Jordan 1 which has a touch of brown, so I went for the Jordan 1 low mochas. So let's check out the shoes. I didn't go with the hype at the beginning. I think this was released last September 21st of this year, but I waited. So there's no hype, so there's a lot of sizes at Nike.com. I'm not paid by Nike.com. I paid for these shoes, so I just wanted to share, guys, the unboxing. So this arrived the other day, and let's check out the shoes. I hope this is the Jordan 1. Joke only, guys. LOL. So it comes in a nice and simple box. So it has a touch of mocha there, or like a chocolate brown. So I went for a 12.5, guys. Size 12 will fit me, but it's gonna be tight. But 12.5 is super nice fit. So without further ado, let's go straight into the shoes. So this is the box that you will see, guys. So Jordan 1 Nike logo with the swoosh, and then the shoes, and then always check out for that green sticker. Make sure you got that green sticker. That make sure it's legit. But this is from Nike.com, so it should be. And then I'm not sure about it. I'm already seeing some creases there. I'm not sure if this was already tried on, but the outsole is clean, so I'm not sure about the crease there already. But let's see the other shoes as well. You see, nice and clean. So I'm not sure. This one is good. I don't know. It might be the quality control. It's not the best. But yeah, there's no extra shoelace with this, guys. So it only comes in the black shoelace. But I see some others, they try to put in like an off-white or brown, but I think I'm happy with the black shoelace. So first time looking at the shoes, I just love the touch of brown here, guys. I love the mocha. It feels like it's like a formal, you know, simple shoes, but that's what I wanted. So this will be nice in casual wear. And then there's a touch of black and white with that. It feels like it's a panda, but it's a Jordan 1, guys. So boom. So that makes it different from the panda. But yeah, I just love the touch of the mocha in the back. I wish there was like a touch of brown here as well, but it's black, so I don't mind that. It's just simple, guys. So it's nice for casual use, which that's my plan really, because I don't wanna overuse the Travis Scott. So this might be my go-to shoes when going out. So but I think quality wise, it's just the leather feels soft. I had some Jordans before, but I think the leather is not bad. It's nice and soft. So I got it for retail, so I didn't pay like reseller price, so that's why I'm kind of happy with these shoes, because you know, if there was a hype, oh my god, this is another $500 shoes, but thank god there is no hype on this guy. So grab a pair now while it's still out there, because you'll never know, this might go up, you'll never know. But yeah, it's a nice simple shoes, guys, for casual wear, and you can pair this with a lot of your nice casual clothes. But yeah, it's a nice simple design, that's why I went for this. And I love the touch of mochas on the Nike Air and the Air Jordan wings down there, guys. I love that in brown. So but yeah, quality wise, yeah, I guess I give it a 8.5 out of 10. It's really, I don't know, it's probably because it's leather compared to the Travis. Travis doesn't have a leather here, that's probably why. But I don't know, it just feels more premium. I don't know if that's psychological because I paid more with this one, but it just feels that this is super premium. But I'm not complaining with this one. I got it for retail, so I'm happy with this. And yeah, so guys, if you're looking for a nice simple shoes rather than a Panda, guys, I advise you to get the Jordan 1 Lows Mocha. So that's just a quick unboxing for you guys. Please help and support my channel, help me reach 1K, and I'll be so happy when I reach that 1K. I'll probably give some free giveaways. Watch out for that. Keep liking my other videos and keep supporting, guys. Until next time, advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Unbox United. Till next time, see you next year, guys. This might be my last vlog and reel. I'm gonna make a reel as well. So see you guys. Thumbs up. Peace.